Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 13. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. We also have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, so if you guys are watching the video right now, subscribe to the channel or your internet's going to go off. And you guys can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been force resetted.